Hi. Did I make a mistake? Welcome back if you're new here. My name is Allison and this is the last video of this year's Lucky Bag haul, or well, lucky boxes. And it's so heavy. Oh, did I make a mistake? Okay, so today I'm going to be opening up 2 fashion bags, Japanese fashion, and we're going to see what on earth I've done to myself. So first I have this giant white box from the Japanese brand Grail, GRL. This is a really popular brand here for like teens, 20s, 30s. It's online only, so there's no stores. So I think a lot of foreign people don't know about it. But yeah, they have like a lot of stuff for really cheap, on trend, etc. This is what I got. 12 items are in this box. 12 for only 7,999 yen. Less than 80 bucks, 12 items. So we can expect 2 of these to be jackets, 5 of these to be like knit sweater kind of things. 5 of them are going to be other, so I think they could just be anything, like accessories, pants, whatever. And that equals 12 for only like 70 bucks. Kind of crazy, which is why I just kind of ordered it on a whim. I don't think I really visualized how big 12 items was. So let's start with this one and then we'll get to this one later. This is a lucky bag for shoes, which is incredibly risky, obviously. But it's from one of my favorite brands, Launalea, and it costs 5,500 yen on ZozoTown. And it just came in like yesterday. I've been waiting on this one to make this video. It came pretty late, but as you can see, it's huge. Like, it's very tall. There's only 2 shoes in here. So I'm deducing that one of these is going to be a long boot, but we'll see. Let's save that one because all right, so we're going to start with this white one, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it all out. We're going to do our first impressions, and then I'll do the shoes, and then we're going to try everything on. Let's open it. Oh my god, I'm nervous. This is very hard to film. A jacket. Oh, this is a brown puffer jacket. Quite nice, actually. I like this. Oh, by the way, for the Grail bag, you were allowed to actually choose between S, M, or L size. So obviously I chose L, but honestly I would be an XL in something, so I don't know about the fit. I'm just gonna pile them all here on the sofa because I have no space. My apartment is too small for this. Okay, next, a hat. Should we try it on? It does feel a little cheap. I don't know. It feels too small for me. Next, a scarf. So as you can see, it is a white scarf. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's soft and it's very wearable. And I wanted a new scarf, so perfect. Success. All right, I see some interesting colors coming up. What are you? Purple. Oh my god. They're purple pants. This waist is way too small for me. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna actually, I don't think I can wear this. Like, I don't know if I can even try it on. So it's really the pants things that I really need an XL in. So, but they are a nice shade of purple. It is a shame. I think they absolutely won't work. Hopefully we don't have too many pants or bottoms in here. Oh my god, what is this? And right as I say that, we have another one. This one might fit though because of this. However, so it's like just like a mini skirt. It's light green. God, the lighting. It's light green, but it comes with like a set. And then this is the top. So it's like this unfinished material. It's really not my style. Next, a giant charcoal gray sweater. Oh, this is nice. I'll wear this, yeah. This is fine. Oh, and the inside's that really soft material. I love that. All right, this is pretty good, I think. Next, this is pretty. So it's like light blue, a little sweater kind of thing. Yeah, I like this. It's cute. And it's soft. I think it'll be great to put under like a cardigan or something. There's still so much. All right, and now we have like a mauve color. It's like the same tightness as the blue one, but turtlenecky. This could work. We'll see. Now, this is something. Oh god. The buttons are cute. If it didn't have this V-neck thing, I'd really like this, but oh my god. It's like really extra for me. I don't know. It is soft. I don't know, the V thing. It's on the back too. Right, I think we have 3 items now. We have a purple sweater. It is cropped a little, but as you all advised me in my last fashion video, apparently I should wear crops more. There's like a little mock turtleneck. What do you call it? Mock. I think this is wearable. Yeah, soft. Actually, I'm pretty impressed that I think everything I've had so far has been pretty good material. We have another one of these. Oh my god. What is this? Guys. So it's like unfinished at the bottom, but then this This turtleneck. Oh my god. We'll see. I'm really not into the unfinished edges thing. All right, there's one more thing in here and it looks insane. This is very girly. There's a hood. Yeah, it's like that. It's really soft. I don't know, we're gonna have to try this on. That's it for the box. Hold on, look at this. Oh my god. I don't think I really understood how much 12 clothes was, like in volume. By the way, a lot of people have been asking me like what I do with the stuff I don't want, and people like accuse me of throwing it away. I'm not gonna throw it away. I don't throw away anything from these lucky bags. One, because that would be ridiculous. They're all like brand new things. And two, it's really hard to throw anything away in Japan. Even if I wanted to, this wouldn't be as easy as you think it would be to throw away. But yeah, everything from not just this bag, but all my lucky bags that I don't want, I either give to friends or I will sell it to like a thrift store or I'll donate it. Yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna throw away something brand new with tags on it, come on. It's time to open the shoes. Oh, I moved the camera. I'm nervous about this. Oh, by the way, there weren't any prices on things in this bag. Yeah, I don't see any prices. We'll see about the shoes, but normally shoes from this brand, they start at like 9,000 yen. So yeah, getting two for 5,000 is pretty good, I hope. We'll see. Okay, I'm opening it. Ah! Oh my god, they're in a bag. That's cute. They actually packed them in a bag, which I will now destroy. Okay, there are no long boots. I was overreacting. I bet maybe some people got long boots though because of how big the bag is. All right, so one, I haven't opened it yet, but it does say bold. Okay, let's open it up. Wow. Heels. This is a great autumn color. Not autumn right now and I don't wear heels, but I might be in the fall if I do get a job. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, the color, it's so autumn specific, you know? All right, and the second pair, we're in a bigger box. Boots, maybe? Ooh. Ooh, my god. Do you guys see this? It's like marbly. That's a boot. Okay. I don't know how I feel about the shoes. I did have a feeling it would be like kind of wild patterns and nothing basic, but wow. I don't know how to match this thing. It's definitely interesting. I like this one more than the pumps personally. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna have to think about this. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe they're super comfortable. All right, I need to clean up this awful mess. Like, let me just clean it up and then we'll try it all on. I'm nervous. All right, we're gonna try it on. I'm sorry, there's this weird sunbeam. Let's go. All right, here's the jacket. It's kind of cropped. I wouldn't call it cropped. It's like at the waist. It's at the butt. I don't know. God, what is this lighting? Okay, yeah, I think it's pretty good. I like this. It is kind of like excessively fluffy, but it's okay. I like it. Good. Here is the blue sweater thing. I like this. Good color. Cute. By the way, I did try to put on the pants and I can't get them up past my butt. So, whatever, that's fine. I'll give it to a friend. Jesus, what is this? I buttoned it. It's not doing much better. It's like, look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on this. Not my vibe. Okay, here's this jacket. I don't know what I think about it. I don't know. It's not really my vibe, I guess. Like the thing with Grail is it covers like a ton of different styles. It's just anything that's like trendy basically. I don't know. What do you guys think? Actually, I like this. Okay, I feel like a little penguin or something. Let me know about this. This is in the maybe pile. Here's the grayish sweatshirt. It's fine. Yeah, it fits me. It's comfortable, roomy, soft on the inside. Pass. I don't know what to say. If it wasn't like this unfinished style, I think I'd keep it. But yeah, I won't wear it. Okay, the more cropped sweaters I'm forced to try on through all these lucky bags, the less I hate them. Another cropped sweater. I dislike this one more for some reason. It's like, I don't know, like it doesn't really fit right. Do you see this puckering here? I don't really like how it doesn't fit me right or something. I don't know. And then we have this light green, which it's not looking that like, there we go. Okay, light green set. It is like a mini skirt, which I don't do. It's like, I don't hate the idea of this. It's just like an execution. This one specifically is not for me. It's like, okay, it's really mini, you guys. Well, and then finally we have the scarf. I mean, it's just a scarf. So in total from the Grail bag, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 things that I think I'm gonna keep. So that's a little sad. 4 out of 12. Oh wait, the hat. Forgot about the hat, wait. Why? It's like too small for me. I don't get it. Okay, no. The hat's a no. It's weird. I really like the style of it. It's just, it's not fitting. Yeah. So 4 out of 12. A disappointment a bit, but I should have expected. Wait, you guys. I found a sweater I didn't try on. It was on the floor. Oh my God. Stupid. It's like not bad, but it's kind of just a little itchy. Like it's like too tight or something in the arms. It's not bad, but I don't think I'm gonna keep it because I don't think I'll ever wear it. Okay, shoes. Here are the shoes. They're like okay. They fit me. They do, but they're like a little tight in the back, like in this heel area. But maybe if I put in like an insert, it would be okay. I think I'm gonna keep them because again, I might be working in an office come next fall. So I think I'm just gonna keep them in my closet and see what happens. But they do fit, so just not what I wear normally. Let's try the boots. Okay, please ignore how awful the socks look with the boots. I don't know about these because I feel like I'm putting too much pressure in my toes when I walk, but like I don't wear heels or heeled boots, so I don't really know how you're supposed to walk in them. But like they feel like they fit me. I think I'm just like dumb. I don't know. I'll keep them again, I think, for maybe the future. We'll just see if I wear them this fall, and if I don't, then maybe I'll sell them then. All right, so that is the Grail lucky bag and the Lana Leia shoe lucky bag. I'd say this is what we call a mixed success. I'm not like super disappointed, but I'm not like, best bags ever, like I was in my first video. So, okay, this is, God. Yeah, we're gonna not keep this. But yeah, 4 items. I probably about made the value back for the Grail bag, maybe a little more with the 4 items because like one of them is a coat. Yeah, I do wish I kept at least half of them, but they're really not my style. So I know I'm not gonna wear them. So there's no point in just, you know, keeping the space in my closet. My closet is very full. And I don't know about the shoes really still. Actually, now that I've tried them both on, I like the heels more than the boots because I think I would actually wear these like to like a special occasion or something, you know? I don't know. I'm still really undecided on the shoes, honestly, because they are definitely worth like 50 bucks, you know, 2 of them. But yeah, I don't know. We'll think about it, but that's the fun of lucky bags. You never know what you're gonna get. I do think the Lana Leia one was definitely random, but that is the last lucky bag of the season. So please let me know down below what you thought about these bags. Everyone's opinions on items are very different. And I know a lot of people in the comments are always like, Allison, what? You're crazy. Why don't you like this? It's cute on you. Keep it. I know there's other reasons, you know, like it doesn't, like it looks okay, right? It just, I don't know, it fits a little strange. So I'm gonna leave it here. I have a special little surprise. Well, if you follow me on Instagram, it's not a surprise. So follow me there if you don't already. But yeah, I did a fun thing a bit ago, so I'll share that soon. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, because more than half of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. And I'll see you guys back here again soon. Bye!